Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very pretty button craft ideas. These are very amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys. So viewers, I am glad to see you all guys. This craft work is super amazing and very unique. So viewers, thank you so much guys for supporting my channel. Follow for more details. These are super incredible and very amazing craft work for you guys. So viewers, I hope so you all are doing well. You must make these button craft ideas at homes. And if you don't know about how to make these button craft ideas at home, then you must watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these button craft ideas at home. So guys, always take care, always be happy, and these are very amazing and very unique button craft ideas for you guys. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.